The 1000% not AI generated image. Let's look at this. So this was posted yesterday by, first it was posted by Curdy C, this individual right here. Then it was posted again by CID on Twitter. And it's supposed to be a wild iPhone foldable phone. Now, is this AI? Nobody actually knows, but I would assume so. I mean, I assume this is not real at all. It's 2026, and also, why would Apple ever let their iPhone fold out in the wild? It wouldn't make logical sense. Like, everything humanly possible points toward this is just AI junk. But it is very accurate to what we are seeing speculated around the iPhone Fold, which, yeah, it looks like a Google Pixel Fold or a 10 Pro Fold with a humongous back camera notch and an Apple logo, and well, that's pretty much it. Like, it looks exactly what we expect the iPhone Fold to look like. It's kind of funny because this happens every single time a brand new Apple product comes out. It gets to a point where leakers and information gets so widely spread that by the time the phone actually comes out, it's not even like that much of a surprise. It's like, oh yeah, that one. Yep. At this point, I think everybody expects it to look exactly the way it's going to look. I will say though, I don't think this is going to be the final version of what it looks like. I don't think they're going to ever do a horizontal two cameras horizontal. They, with the new iPhone 17 or 17 Pro, they do it horizontal, but that's like with 4 cameras. I don't think they're going to do it like this. This just looks so weird when it comes to like the camera bump. I just don't think that they would do this. Maybe they will. Maybe I'm crazy, but just that camera bump just looks so out of left field. Also, people brought up here, we have what looks like, it's kind of weird, but it looks like a volume rocker right here. But you can see it does raise up a little bit. But if you look at the rest of the phone here from the bottom to here, it almost looks like this whole entire piece of metal raises up. And not just like a volume rocker. It looks like the whole piece of metal raises up with it to the very top here. And then it just gets this little indent that goes down to the rest of the phone. Again, like, this is AI Slop. It has to be AI Slop. Because this is actually the volume rocker, I just realized. But what am I even looking at? This is the volume rocker right here, okay? What is this? I was thinking a power button, like a fingerprint reader power button. So maybe that's the thing. Like, this is like, you know, it kind of goes a little bit inside because there's a fingerprint reader there. But then why would this not be the same, like, elevation as this? Like, are we really going to expect Apple to have this side just raise all the way up to the fingerprint reader and then flush it here? And then also, why are there, like, volume buttons at the top? Because this is the bottom. This is the top right here. This is the bottom, right? Because it's the Apple logo. It's camera modules. So you're telling me you're not going to have the volume rockers on the side. You're going to have it on the top. And then you're going to have the power button on the side, which is going to be a fingerprint reader. And this part is just going to raise up and be like an extra little nudge at the end of it. Like, again, it's AI slop. That's all I can look at it as, is AI slop. There's no way. I will say they did a good job. They did a good job, but AI has been getting insanely good with all this crap all the time. But hey, listen, if this ends up being it, it ends up being it. But I'm calling AI slop because that's what I see. Calling it as I see it. But Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. This is supposed to go for like $2,300. Maybe more than that, maybe $2,500. Who knows at this point? It's just crazy. It honestly is crazy. When this comes out, there's going to be people who buy it. People buy the Apple Vision Pro. I bought the Apple Vision Pro. There's going to be people who buy it. I'm going to buy it. Buy it for the channel just to look at it. But it's stupid. It's going to be stupid. But it is what it is. It's a first-gen product. Peace out, guys.